Hello, my dear YouTube family, my dear audience, my dear viewers. Hope you will be doing well and enjoying this rainy season. Dear friends, dear viewers, dear audience, welcome to my YouTube channel, Romeo. In the Romeo YouTube channel, I had discussed different topics of energy, bioenergetics. I had also discussed the electron transport chain, and also I had discussed another some other topics. Here now I am going to discuss you carbohydrates, that what are carbohydrates and what are example of carbohydrates, structure of the carbohydrates and different classification of carbohydrates, comparison of carbohydrates and the sources of carbohydrates. First of all, if you before starting the lecture, if you are new on my YouTube channel or if you have watched my previous videos and have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Romeo and press the bell icon to receive the notification of my upcoming videos. So basically carbohydrates literally mean hydrated carbon, which is hydrated carbon. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is the same as in water. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones, are complex substances that on oxidation yields aldehydes and ketones. There are some exceptional there are some exceptional carbohydrates present, like carbohydrates follow the formula of CnH2O whole N, but there are some carbohydrates which did not follow this formula and are present with different formula. The first one is uronic acid and the second one is fucose. Non-carbohydrates with formula of carbohydrate like formaldehyde and inositol, these are two compounds which have a formula like carbohydrates, but actually they are not carbohydrates. Example of carbohydrates, there are different examples of carbohydrates like glucose, which is a major metabolic fuel of mammals, glycogen, which storage in animals, starch is a storage in plants, cellulose in plant papers, chitin, which are structure present in arthropods, ribose present in DNA, ATP and NAD, deoxyribose which are present in DNA, and ribose is present in RNA, lactose which is present in the milk. Food which are rich, which are high in carbohydrates. So sweets are high in carbohydrate. Soft drinks have high amount of carbohydrates. Breads have high amount of carbohydrate. Beans, peas, cereals, rice, maize, barley, wheat, corn, apricot, dates, blueberry, banana, fig, grapes, apple, orange, pear, pineapple, strawberry, watermelon and raisins. These are the rich sources of carbohydrates. Functions of carbohydrate. If we talk about the function of carbohydrates, so basically carbohydrates have 6 major functions within the body, by providing energy and regulation of blood glucose. It can use sparing the use of protein for energy, breakdown of fatty acids. Also it can spare the breakdown of fatty acids, biological recognition process. It helps in the biological recognition process. It also helps in flavor and sweeteners, and it also helps in dietary fibers. Carbohydrates is necessary for the regulation of nerve tissue and is the source of energy for the brain. Brain only uses carbohydrate for energy sources. Brain did not use any other protein or lipid for the energy. It only used just glucose, and also it did not use any other carbohydrate molecule. It only used just glucose. Some carbohydrates are high in fiber, which helps prevent constipation. Structural components, it have a role in structural components. It also carbohydrates are also important for the correct working of our brain, heart, nervous, digestive and immune system. Polysaccharides is act as a storage of energy. For example, starch and glycogen. It also act as a structural components like, for example, cellulose in plants and chitin in arthropods. Ribose and coenzymes, for example, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and the backbone of RNA. In the RNA, ribose sugar is also present. Deoxyribose is present as a component of DNA. Heparin is used to treat and prevent blood clots from forming, especially in the lungs and legs. Carbohydrates have three major types: monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. So example of monosaccharide are glucose, fructose, and galactose. Example of disaccharide are maltose, sucrose, and lactose, while example of polysaccharide are starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Romeo, and also like and share my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye and take care of yourself.